just got in our very first 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. We've only got this thing in-house for one day. We're test fitting some prototype parts before we send it off to the suspension manufacturer tomorrow. I thought I'd give you guys just a little sneak peek of the new truck and the test fit process. Which one did you say was your favorite?
I think that was my favorite, the one that gives it a more of a long aspect ratio.
Yeah.
It looks a little more action.
Yeah, I think it's my favorite too. All right, y'all weigh in. Give me your opinion on which of these hood vents you like better, A or B. And also, let me know what you think about the new truck and if you're excited to see what SCA Performance brings to the table for this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado.